Hello and welcome to some tech news. I'm trying to get off the addiction of watching other videos and start making my own. Wean off, I had to look this up. Usually I know what these words mean, but as a non-native speaker, I should check sometimes. It's actually good stuff in here. Melatonin, I can recommend this. What was it? Time-released melatonin has been shown to help patients to wean themselves off of habit-forming sleeping pills. That's true, I use this. You can buy it on eBay. It's the body's own sleep hormone. Doesn't have any side effects as far as I can tell. Did this for a period earlier and stopped again, no problem. And it's like 1,000,000 times better than whatever other stuff people take to go to sleep. Wean off, get free. What news are there? I'm making my chat. This looks not so great yet. But there's a foundation here, and I want to have my own chat again because I used to, and that was great. Right now the IP address appears here instead of a username. You can post images with one simple JavaX program, which is really cool. You just go to the JavaX starter and you say upload here, webcam image to the chat. It would work if I was not using the webcam right now. Would improve this and it will all show up in the chat. There's some spam in the chat. You know, I have to say, why is this so stupid, this spam? What is this? Is he trying to get around my spam filter, which I don't have? If you spam me, make it funny, dude. I don't even know what you're trying to sell me here. That's ridiculous. And of course, yes, I do escape HTML. So don't even try. So we should work on this because we're making chatbots and a chat is a good addition. Speaking of which, there is a new chatbot that we just released yesterday. It's in German, like all German. Maybe has a few words of English, but it's all German. I'll show this in a German video. And this guy worked on this for like 2 years on and off. I implemented it all in Java. It has like 1,241 rules, and these are the on rules, the rules that always apply, that every input is matched against. There's a whole other set of rules that is active when you are in some kind of conversation about some topic, you know. So this is really complex. It does not solve the Turing test, probably, although, who knows. My point often is that many people wouldn't pass the Turing test. You ask them something, they're like, I don't care, you insulted my mother. So, maybe we should make people pass the Turing test first. Turing test is the test where a computer and a human try to pose as a human. So if the computer, by chatting, you know, you just see a chat. If the computer chats smarter than a human, then it's considered artificially intelligent. Woody Wonder, kann ich Erfolg haben? Can I be successful? He asks me if I want to be successful on the website or on my private homepage, and then I can tell it some more, and a flow will emerge. There's a lot of stuff in here, and this is our second demo. It has some emotions also. Very funny stuff. Our other bot is the English bot, the NeutroBox bot. So, and now we want to actually make things for customers, custom chatbots. All the frameworks are ready, German, English, no problem. I have some potential customers already, I guess. And I'm supposed to write an article, invited to write an article about JavaX, which is also very, very nice. And also I'm testing Ubuntu versus Peppermint, because I still recommend Peppermint Linux. This is running here. It's easy to install, it runs great. And somebody told me that Java programs have little problems on the new Ubuntu because of this system tray area, this area here, where JavaX resides, among other things. And it doesn't exist in the new Ubuntu. So that sounds bad. He was like frustrated about it. I'm trying to investigate. I wanted to install Ubuntu on VirtualBox, but it took forever. It didn't even complete. So I'm making some kind of shootout, yeah. I'll put Peppermint. Oh, they have a new version, Peppermint 8. I'm still on Peppermint 7. Wow, that's quick. I'm comparing Peppermint Linux in one VirtualBox to Ubuntu in another VirtualBox. Let's see which one is faster and better. I totally recommend Peppermint. I don't trust the company behind Ubuntu. Ubuntu sounds so human and great. But there's a British company. Ubuntu is London based. Did you know that? Don't trust London. Mark Shuttleworth. Here's the guy from Canonical behind Ubuntu. You always have to look out at the guys behind the stuff, you know. Just that it says free, it doesn't mean it's free and good and everything. Also, Office 365 is down across Europe. Microsoft Cloud, yeah. Yeah. JavaX is also like server-based, but stuff runs on your machine, so I mean, it's not the same thing. So, and Google Plus stuff still nobody uses. Turned 6. On Google Plus, I tried to message some person, and there's no messaging feature. There's no emailing. There's no messaging feature. Google Plus is the anti-social network. It's even worse than Facebook. Facebook is like fake or something, Facebook. But at least you can contact people. They have messaging and everything. Google Plus does not have messaging. What kind of social whatever is this? Google is completely fake. This guy's funny, by the way. His history of Google Plus. You just read this. Google made great progress with something that nobody wanted. Very nice, very nice. Also, I'm reading up about artificial intelligence and how we're supposed to use it. This is in German, of course. How in tourism you can use chatbots, which is what we want to do. We have a couple people in mind. Tourism websites that might use a chatbot. So we're learning every day, we're completing our nice programs. And yep. Shall we watch this for the rest of this video? Sure we should. Peppermint 8. I'm never sure about the changes in these Linux things. They were great for me like a couple of years ago. Linux doesn't seem to change that much, just it gets more drivers or stuff. Works a little better. But there's not the big innovation there, I think. Except for Ubuntu changing their user interfaces into things that nobody likes. Otherwise, it's all pretty stable. I think the actual innovation in computer stuff will be in AI for everything. AI for the desktop. So, because even Cortana, you know, is not that smart. And there's no bot here. My Linux is lacking a bot, and I want to make a bot. Yay.